Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a steamed pompano fish. It's really simple and you can buy frozen pompano from almost any Asian grocery store. Pompano is a saltwater fish and definitely tastes better than average fish you can find in grocery store. The ingredients include whole pompano, ginger, green onions, garlic, salt, black pepper powder, cooking wine, oyster sauce, olive oil, optionally, sesame oil, shiitake mushrooms, tofu, and shishito peppers. First, cut the green onions, minced garlic, and grater ginger, and put them all into a small container. Add in black pepper powder, salt, cooking wine, oyster oil, olive oil, and mix them all up. Now, cut the tofu into cubes. Slice shiitake mushrooms and shishito peppers. Set aside. These veggies are optional. If you just want to steam the fish by itself, skip these ingredients. Now, prepare and clean pompano. It doesn't really have much scales, so that makes scaling and gutting easier. After gutting, washing clean with running water. Then put it into a deep plate or a shallow bowl. Now, add sufficient water into a steamer and bring it to boil. Now, add some mixed sauce into the fish and then add the rest on the top of the fish. Optionally, surround the fish with cut tofu, mushrooms, and peppers. Now it's ready to be put into the steamer. Cover the lid of the steamer and steam it for 30 minutes. Then carefully remove it from the steamer. At last, top up with a touch of sesame oil if you want. And now enjoy the freshly steamed pompano fish. Please note that you don't have to add tofu, mushroom, or pepper. You can just steam the fish by itself, but I always like to add some veggies so they taste so much better together with the pompano. Hope you enjoy the recipe and let me know what do you think. Thanks for watching the cookbook. See you next time.